2021 was a record-setting year for Maine fishermen. Preliminary data released in March shows that last year's catch was worth over $890 million. 82% of that catch was lobster. That total was $725 million, which is also a record for the lobster industry. And now a new facility may keep money from that industry and many more in our state for even longer. Good evening, everyone. I'm Amanda Hill.
And I'm Tori Ryden in for Pat Callahan. We can take refrigeration for granted, but the technology means being able to store food in our homes and medicine in a lab. And when companies work to ship those necessities around the world, keeping things cold can be a massive undertaking. News Center Maine's David Guildford reports from Portland's waterfront, where a new project will try to solve that problem for Maine businesses.
The International Marine Terminal in Portland is an intensely busy work site that few get to see.
Some empty containers that are waiting to go out for cargo.
Andrew Haynes showed us around the massive working waterfront. As Executive Vice President of IMSkip, the shipping company that operates here, he's excited to have new neighbors.
Thank you all for joining us here today.
The Maine DOT and Port Authority broke ground Monday on the Maine International Cold Storage Facility, part of a long-term plan to bolster shipping.
And that vision has always included providing refrigerated logistics services to shippers using the Port of Portland.
When completed in early 2024, the 107,000 square foot building will store perishables offloaded from nearby ships or those ready to head out into the Atlantic.
We try to make sure that we have the same amount in every week that goes out. That way we don't end up with an imbalance.
Now you might be thinking, oh, it's just a big refrigerated warehouse. What's the big deal? But here at the International Marine Terminal, IMSkip moves about 25,000 shipping containers a year, and about 40% of those are refrigerated.
So these are going to Iceland.
That means these grapes, medicines, and a lot of Maine seafood must stay in these individual refrigerated containers and trucked to a cold storage building, the closest of which is in Boston.
Right now, about 90% of what we export internationally and virtually all of what we export domestically leaves our state by truck.
In our corner of the country, within a global economy, the state is banking on a simple idea making a load of difference. In Portland, David Guildford, News Center, Maine.
And with food and medicine remaining in our state a little bit longer, what kind of money could stay here along with it? That's a big question. The University of Southern Maine predicts the cold storage facility will generate between $500 and $900 million annually within Maine's economy.